Hello everybody, and welcome back to Gamemaker Studio 2 Space Invaders Tutorial Series, Episode 3. Today, we'll just be fixing the bullets, because since last time, and it's also a mini episode, but because since last time, I've realized that, the bullets actually, the bullets, they go like, they're a lot faster than the actual game. Well, not actually, but yeah. This isn't what it looks like last time, but that's because I've been testing how to fix it. But they were going off to the side and everything. But yeah, they in Space Invaders they only go straight up, and ours are a lot faster normally. I've been testing, as I said, so mine doesn't go up, but yours will probably be a lot faster unless you change it. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the player step event, and we're gonna set the cooldown to 60, which I have already done, which makes it a lot more like Space Invaders, and it's much slower, and yeah. And now we're gonna go to the bullet, and we're gonna put 2 slashes before all the code in the create event that we said before. This will set it to a comment, just in case we want to use it later, or you guys want to use it sometime later in another project you do, or whatever. So now, after we've done that, and I'll just set it to a comment. So it won't run it, but it won't do it is there if you can copy it or whatever. See? Just like, yeah. So now, that we're in here, we're gonna add speed we're gonna add a speed variable, kind of like the one we did. Well, pretty much basically like the one we did up here in the create event for the player, but we're doing this in the create event for the bullet, and it's gonna be different. But as I said from my previous videos, the reason we don't use actual speed is because it's a built-in variable. So then we're gonna just set this to about 8. Oops. And that should be good. And then, I mean, we may need to change it, but we can change that another time. You guys can set whatever your preference is, whatever. As I said, it's fully customizable. That's the cool thing about Gamemaker. But 8 seems to be a good place to start. Now, if you run the bullet, it will be laying sideways, as you can see in a second. It's not even going up, but it's laying sideways. Okay, and then to fix this, we're going to add another line of code. That's image angle is equal to 90, which will turn the image 90 degrees, which will make it vertical. Okay, see, and then yeah, as you can see, it turns it vertical. Okay, now we're actually gonna create a step event in here. Okay, step. Okay, then we're going to make the bullet move up along the y-axis, so it goes up by subtracting because the higher you go is actually in the negatives more. So if I just open the room, as you can see down here, the numbers are changing, but as you can see, as I go up, this is y, by the way, the second number. As you can see, when I go up, it goes down. So we need to subtract, not add. If you're going X or if you're going down or whatever, you gotta add. That's why up here in our movement. Oh wait, no, whoops. That's something different. In other games, that's why when you put like when you're going up and down, it'll be like minus and plus for up and then plus for down. Okay, back to what I was saying. So now we'll make the bullet move up by subtracting. So we'll make y equal to y itself. So y minus speed, which is why we set the variable so that it goes up by 8 pixels every time. And then now let's try that and see how we did. See, now it's a lot slower, like the Space Invaders game, and it's moves straight up, and it doesn't like have any of that wave that we did last time, which is what we don't want. This was a short video, and it's, as I said, it's a mini episode. But our next one, we're definitely going to be starting to add probably like the defense things that are in the real game that you can hide behind. And also, we'll make them destroy the bullets when you shoot at them, so that you can't like go through them. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something. Oh, and shout out to the person who asked me to make episode 3 in the comments of my last video. Thank you, and yeah. See you next time. Bye.